we have the topic of change of interval, right? Earlier we did the interval from 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to pi. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change our interval. Now it will take some constant limits, like 0 to 2 pi will be of the form minus 0 to 2l, l is any constant, and minus pi to pi will be of the form minus l to, means we have changed our interval. This is our interval, right? Where L is any constant, right? Now we are going to expand any Fourier series of any given function within these intervals. One will be from 0 to 2L and another will be from minus L to plus L, right? So let's write down the general Fourier series. Fourier series of any function fx in the interval c to c plus 2l is given by Fourier series in the interval c to c plus 2l is given by fx is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x upon l plus summation bn sine n pi x upon l, where n is any integer which takes the values from 1 to infinity, right? Where a naught is given by 1 by L 0 to 2L fx dx. An is given by 1 by L 0 to 2L fx into cos n pi x by L dx. And in the same way, Bn is given by 1 by L 0 to 2L fx into sine n pi x by L. And L is any constant, you can write down. Now, this is the basic result within the general interval C to C plus 2L, right? Now, what we are going to do for first result, corollary, you can say if we put C is equal to 0 in that general value, if we put C equal to 0, our interval will become 0 to 2L. If you put C equal to 0 over here, the interval will be 0 to 2L. And in that case, this Fourier series fx will remain same. But a naught will become 1 by L. It is C to C plus 2L as we are taking the general interval. C to C plus 2L. C to C plus 2L. This is for the constant values. Then 1 by L, 0 to 2L, fx dx, an 1 by L, 0 to 2L, fx into cos n pi x by L dx, and bn is equal to 1 by L, 0 to 2L, fx into sine n pi x by L dx. Similarly, for the second result, if we put C is equal to minus L, then the interval will be minus L to plus L. Earlier, it was 0 to 2L. Now it is between minus L to plus L. In that case, Fourier series will be 1 by L minus L to L fx dx. A n will be 1 by L minus L to L cos n pi x by L dx, and bn will be 1 by L minus L to L fx into sine n pi x by L dx. Now we all know that whenever the interval is from minus a to plus a, we have to check even and odd. So case 1 for even and case 2 will be for odd. N is even, or you can say L is even. Why? Because we are considering L over here. L is odd, L is even. Fx is even and Fx is odd. Now what about if the Fx is even? This will give you even value will become 2 by L 0 to L Fx dx. In the same way, Fx is even, cos is an even function, even into even is even. An will become 2 by L 0 to L Fx cos n pi 2 by L 0 to L Fx into cos n pi x by L dx. And what about Bn? Even, odd, total is odd, so Bn will be equal to 0. And what about if Fx is odd? Fx is odd, minus L to L will be 0. Fx is odd, cos is even, odd into even is odd, An equal to 0. And Fx is odd, sine is odd into odd is even. So Bn will become twice 2 by L 0 to L Fx into sine n pi x by L dx. So this is for the constant interval 0 to 2L and minus L to plus L.